How to lock or unlock your Amex card via application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to lock or unlock your American Express card via the app itself. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the Amex application itself. And also make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now just go to the account tab to lock or freeze a card. And once you're inside your account tab, just select the freeze or unfreeze a card option and choose the card you wish to freeze. Tap freeze card. So similarly, to unlock a card, you can just head over to the same process, that is your account tab, and simply select this option, that is freeze or unfreeze a card once again, and just choose the card you wish to unlock and tap unfreeze card. And if you have set your card pin or your card is locked, it will be immediately protected from unauthorized transaction. And if your pin is locked, it can be unlocked by simply following the steps such as tap unlock pin, by simply heading over to your manage card pin and answering some security questions which you might have set it up previously. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.